Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. Guys, in this video, I'm talking about the Dogecoin latest situation. What's the price changes occur in the Dogecoin? Let me show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Dogecoin price now in the market is 0.315994 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occurred in the Dogecoin, so now you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of the Dogecoin is completely negative. Negative meaning that the price dumps. And other side, you can see just on only the last 1 week changes occurred in the Dogecoin is positive, except after the last 1 week, the whole chain is as negative. Now, especially, guys, the latest situation of the market is going wrong. But guys, I recommend for you to don't feel this. Don't feel that is just a temporary changes, my friends. With the passage of time, the changes will become positive and you get profit. Anyways, guys, let me show you the price chart and let's talk about the future changes. Next move. Now you can see from the 4 August, the price of the Dogecoin start pumping. But unfortunately, you can see after 17 August, just look here, temporary, guys. Slowly, gradually, the price of the Dogecoin start falls. So now, guys, possibility that in the upcoming time, the price will more decrease. So guys, just hold, don't decide to sell. I recommend for you. And what is your opinion? Also share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS section for more news and updates videos.